the aspect of today being a full moon, and the sister speaking on the principle of dealing with alchemy or being an alchemist. I think it lines up perfect for someone of that caliber to present, and show improve on a day and time like this. So I'm excited for that aspect of it.
Today is a special presentment with Sister Kareemah, who's presenting eugenics, the rivalry for the ages.
Thank you, everyone, for coming in. I do have a couple things that I would like to mention before I start. The first thing is, who am I? Where did I come from? Where did I? Everybody wants to know, well, who is this more that just came on the scene? Well, I've been here forever, but I always been in the background. But I do just want to let you know that I am that which by which I know I am. And at the end of the day, I am one with the all. I am a traveler on the sacred path of my ascendants and my descendants, which is guided by the eternal flame. I am eternally grateful for the matriarchal influences on my journey. Ruth the Moabitess, Pearl and Mary Drew Ali, Fannie Lou Hamer, Ella Baker, Shaw University, Dr. Francis Cress Wellesley, Marimba Ani, Carol Anderson, Emory University, and whether she knows it or not, she is my teacher, my sister, my mother, my confidant, Roz Mariah Bey. She's had an influence on my life longer than she realizes. And
Wow.
kudos goes out to the divine masculines along my journey that helped me assist me with cultivating my mind with knowledge. There's Muji Baba, C.M. Bay, C. Freeman L., Manly P. Hall, and much appreciation goes to all of you upright and studious Moors here tonight. I am presenting tonight what is a seed implanted from the celestial plane of manifestation through numbers and letters and sounds which are one and the same. So if we read the Quran, so you won't think it's spookism, Quran chapter 35, 37, I meant 37, ayat 14. Wherefore to thee alone speaks shadows and visions of the pillow. Reference them, for know that dreams are from on high. So these are my celestial dreams from on high that I'm going to present to you today.
Yes.
Now that we got all that out of the way, I have said what I had to say, giving honors to all. We can recite the Holy Covenant of the Asiatic nation because that's who we are. We can't forget that. This is the Madonna. You see the Pope bowing his head to the Madonna. Everybody knows, except for here in America, the
Ah,
European Union was organized as a political and economic union of 27 member states. All right. So if we look at their flag, we see the zodiac again, 12.
yep.
The background of blue, meaning the water for them. But I don't know why they use the blue because we were the controllers of the sea. The Moor woman has the one thing that nobody else on this entire universe have, and that is mitochondrial DNA. So this is the periodic table. Remember when we had these in science class in high school or college? If you can see my arrow, these over here 7. These are noble gases. Noble gases. What call yourself, Morris? Noble. 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 Noble.
I don't think melanin is on that table.
No,
And
sir. I tell you what, if I have you asked me about melanin. A couple more slides, you'll understand why
All
melanin
right.
is not on this periodic chart. Okay. All right. You asked me about melanin. Here's your melanin. Here's your melanin, brother. So it is carbon. So it is on the chart as carbon. It is prehistoric. And it is derived from the Latin carbo or charcoal. You guys can go back and research what I'm saying to you.
Well, wait. Is this the symbol for carbon that we're looking at with these crowns?
Yes, that's what
Okay,
I was going to say.
right here on this, coming right out of that table, you'll see on the left, that's the symbol for carbon. And you
Yes,
might not be able to tell, but on a closer look, okay, those are three crowns. Go ahead, go ahead. I
yes,
just
the
clarified
three
it.
crowns. The three crowns. This is the actual, according to the Royal Chemistry Society.
All right.
Not Kareemah. This is the symbol. So here it is. I blew it up a little bit more so you can see the symbols of the crowns of the carbon.
Wow.
Carbon is found in the sun and other stars formed from the debris of a previous supernova. It is built up by nuclear fusion in bigger stars. It is present in the atmosphere of many planets, usually as carbon dioxide on Earth. But the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is currently at 309 parts per million and rising. So what are y'all doing? You got this carbon rising out here. This is why things are getting different because we're raising the vibration. All right.
I profoundly enlightened concerning carbon, but I'm still looking for the dot to melanin, the
So
connective dot
when
to
when was
melanin.
when was the first time we heard the word melanin?
I cannot say, but I know they've been using it a while now.
Just like African American.
Yes.
Point taken.
Yes.
Oh, that's powerful.
Maybe later, right?
Yeah.
Yes. That's another throw you off track type
That's
tactic.
because you are carbon. We've been here since the creation. Moors, Murs. No question is dumb, but you have to think. This is what they do. They'll make you something that is natural and good. They will change it to something that is bad, and you will not use it. You will have be in your mind thinking, oh my goodness, I have to lessen my carbon footprint. If
Okay.
it's not on that periodic table that I showed you, then it is not natural. All right, next question.
That would be Sister J Bay.
All right.
Islam. I don't have a question. I just wanted to say that it's so beautiful. Like the everything that was put together is just it came together so beautiful, Sister Kareemah. You took it on a astrolog on back to the chart. I mean, it seems like it doesn't matter what subject it is, it's always going to revert back to the chart. As you say, the elements, this is the elementary part, and it's always going to go back to it. So I just wanted to say it's just beautiful. I am just enjoying every bit of it.
Oh, much appreciation to you, Jay, because you helped me with this. I couldn't done this without you and Mother Ross. I couldn't. Because for me, the toughest thing was putting my thoughts to a computer. Okay?
Uh-huh.
And so that was the hardest thing for me.
And you
But
did great.
I
It just
yes, I
turned out
learned.
beautiful.
I learned. That was a lesson learned.
Sister
Okay.
Kareemah. But I just want to take this moment to take notice and acknowledge I'm loving this presentation. From the first pictures, we was just talking about the law of nature. The first image that you showed, one of the first images you showed about our family tree,
Yes.
I just want y'all to know I've been seeing that image since I was, pre double digits.
So this is why I chose this. They tried to bury us, but they didn't know we were seeds.
Beautiful. Chapter 47, stanza 10. What your ancient forefathers were, you are today, without doubt or contradiction. 11. There is no one who is able to change from the descendant nature of his forefathers unless his power extends beyond the great universal creator, Allah himself. Islam.
Islam.
If this completes your presentment, the first
Yes.
thing we need to
Yes.
do is everybody just needs to give you a hand. All right.
Yes.
Everybody keep
That
doing it.
completes it.
Yes, Grandma.
Awesome,
Grandma.
awesome, awesome.
Islam.
Awesome.
Islam, Islam, Sister Kareemah.
Thank you, Mother, for your help. Thank you, Jay Bay, if she's still here, for your help. Thank you, Brother Miz, all of you for the energy that was provided.
Thank you.
Islam,
Yes.
thank you,
Some
Sister
love.
Karima. Thank you,
Hmm.
beloved. Thank you,
Thank you,
big
brother.
time.
Thank you.
Most certainly, most certainly. I appreciate this build tonight at the timing it happened. And listen, let me say, I hope this is not the last session. I want to hear what else you have to say and continue on. And I trust that you keep on keeping on with your message because it means so much to us, and I'm sure it'll mean so much to the rest of the world. Thank you so much for sharing your
Absolutely.
time, energy, and wisdom. Don't let it be your last time going in because you got something to say and we love it. Peace.
Thank you. It was great because we talk about this. I said, this, you're like, this is just the foundational. And we both said that when you're learning something, the first thing you have to do is get the fundamentals straight, right? The
Yes.
foundation straight. Just like I said in astrology, if you want to learn about astrology, well, look at that wheel. You had said it. You said, no, I'm just giving a foundation. Part two, you said it is a part two. But now that we get this, we'll be able to build upon this foundation that was just given to us today. Peace, the Alchemist and Eastern Philosopher.